So, hello everyone, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Exchange Experts. So, in today's video, we'll be seeing about rule of 72. So, simply put, rule of 72 says that how much time does it take to double your money. So, say for example, you have 10,000 in your bank account, and in order to know how long does it take for the 10,000 to become 20,000, so we use rule of 72. So, simply put, we just divide whatever rate of interest that we get divided by that will get divided by 72. So t is equal to 72 whole divided by r, whereas t represents the time that it take to double our money, so in years, and 72 will be the constant that we put, and r will be the rate of interest that we get per annum. So simply put, t is equal to 72 whole divided by r. We get 8% rate of interest per annum. We just divide that 8% with 72. So simply put, 72 whole divided by 8, which gives us 9 years. So 9 years is the time that it takes to double our money. So now that we have understood the theory part of it, let's dive into the example part of it. If you see, we have made an Excel sheet. So let's assume that our initial capital will be 10,000, and we get a rate of interest as 8% per annum. And as simply put, rule of 72 says that 72 whole divided by rate of interest that we get. So in this case, we get 8% per annum, and 72 which get divided by 8 gives us 9 years. Let's just deeply dive how this rule of 72 works. So, say for example, in the first year, our initial capital will be 10,000. So that's simply put here, and the rate of interest would be 8%. So which means that the interest that would get at the end of first year will be 800 rupees. So the first year capital, that would be our principal plus the rate of interest that we get for the first year. So here we get 10,800 for 10,000. So for the second year, the principal would be first year's principal plus rate of interest that we got. So that in this case it would be 10,800. So that get added another 8% rate of interest, which gives us 11,664. So with this, we can get to calculate at the end of 9 years, we will be getting 19,990, which is equal to 20,000. So basically, your 10,000 got doubled in a span of 9 years. So you might be wondering, if I get 72% rate of interest per annum, I'll get doubled my money within 1 year. So in order to get 72% rate of interest per annum, so we'll just look another example. So which in case demonstrated here. So let's just say for example you're getting 72% rate of interest per annum. So we'll just divide that yearly rate of interest into monthly. So in order to get 72% rate of interest per annum, you'll be able, you need to get 6% at least per month. So that's demonstrated here. So let's just say our initial capital will be 10,000, and our monthly 6%. So which gives us first month interest will be 600, and the first month amount capital will be our principal amount plus our interest rate of interest that we got. So for the second month, obviously the total amount will be first year's principal amount plus the rate of interest. So 10,600 will be our capital. So that get added with 6% rate of interest will give us 11,236. And if you scroll over to the month 12, which means 1 year, you'll get 20,122 people. So simply put, rule of 72 works like how much time does it take for us to double our money with a particular constant 72 that will divided by the rate of interest. So the main factor in doubling our money is the rate of interest that we get. In this case, our capital 10,000 rupees get doubled in within a span of 1 year if we get a rate of interest of 72%. Correct. So yeah, if we get 72% rate of interest per annum, your amount will be get doubled within a span of 1 year. So unfortunately, we are not able to get 72% rate of interest. All we get is 7 to 8% rate of interest per annum if you put your money in fixed deposit in any banks. So with this being said, if you think that you would deposit your money, your hard-earned money in FD for 6 to 8% rate of interest per annum, think twice, because I'm gonna show you some incredible investing ideas. So there are ways in which that 8 to 10% can be made within a week or within a day. Let's just say, for example, we have invested our money in SBI for the last week. It would have fetched us around 8% return within 4 days. And in case of Canara Bank, so if we would have invested in Canara Bank, it would have fetched us 6.5% within 3 days. And another example is that if you have invested in City Union Bank, which is covered, so it has given us 23.31% rate of interest, or it would have given us 23.3% return within 22 days, right? So basically, if you invest your money in FD, fixed deposit, what banks basically do is that they'll reinvest in stock market for their return in order to make some money and return your 8%. So why not invest ourselves into directly into a stock market? So if you are interested in investing into stock market, do follow our channel Exchange Experts for more information. And with this, I'll conclude this video and see you guys in the next video.